Welcome, I'm Beth Ramsden. My talented dolly friends are collaborating again. We're each making 2 full Blythe doll summer outfits each. We'll then post them to another member of our group to open and model on their own dolls. I'll be posting my outfits to our host, Marna at Dolls Rescued. Let me show you how I put mine together. I started with a Hawaiian style shirt, boxy, relaxed fit with a collar. I spent 2 or 3 days revising my patterns again and again because I'm some sort of masochistic perfectionist doll tailor, but I came up with a version I was happy with, and then I didn't film it. I really think it deserves a video of its own, to be honest, so do let me know if you want to see it. I love the fabric I used for it. So Summery, and the tiny buttons are green with orange stitching to match the leaves and the toucans. Adorable. I made some real denim shorts next with pockets. I used a bright contrasting cotton for the lining and orange thread for the top stitching details. The assembly is much the same as the jeans you can see me making in this video here. And there they are. With a snap fastening in the back, they're all done. I just love the little pockets. Details are everything on these tiny clothes. Here's the pattern pieces I used for them. Now I make a second pair of shorts using the same basic pieces, but they're a centimetre wider each at the waist and legs, and have no pocket. I'm using a flamingo print fabric sample, and I didn't know I was sending to Marna, the flamingo lover, at the time either. I fray check my seams and assemble the main sections first. I also press a small pocket for the back. Press and stitch the hems, then sew 2 gathering stitches along the waistline. Sew on the pocket. And next I cut and fray check a waistband strip like this. With right sides together, I sew along the sides and waist. I turn it through and top stitch the waist. I can then join the lower half of the back seam. Then open out the legs and join the crotch. I add a snap fastening to the back and voila! A cute pair of relaxed fit shorts. Next, I'm using this bralette pattern I recently made up to use up the scraps of fabric left over from making face masks. It's fairly simple and I'll make it in a pale peachy pink cotton to match the flamingos here. I start by sewing the bust darts on the facing fabric here and here. Then I repeat for the white cotton lining. I'll then pin them right sides together and sew all around my outline, leaving a small space to turn through in the bottom centre here. Here they're ready to sew. And here it is! I hand stitch closed the turning gap and add a fastening to the back. My outfits are coming together, but you know I have to add shoes. Here's my sandal making setup. I've cut some thick card soles and coloured them with Posca paint pens. And using ribbons and tiny buckles in different colours, I'll glue and sandwich the cut ends between the sole pieces. And here they both are. One pair to match each outfit. You can see side on the sole pieces joined together. I hope Marna enjoys these. They're the first sandals I've made. I know she loves these tiny boxes, so I've made them to fit each pair. Finally, my outfits need some matching bags for shopping or picnic food. I've cut oilcloth and felt to the sizes you can see here, and I sew the felt to the oilcloth around all four sides. I then zigzag fold it like this, right side in, before sewing up the two sides. When it's folded out, it makes a lovely neat shape like this. I then attached a strip of felt to cover the raw edge, and I used a piece of piping cord for the handles. And pushed them through these little eyelets that I attached next. I also added this little metal decoration to finish it. Here they both are, in colours to complement the outfits. You can play around with the sizes of these bags. The green and blue one is just a bit shorter in the length to give them variety. I think they make a super cute tote bag. I love bags like this. Well, there we have each of the pieces of my two Summery Fun in the Sun outfits. I'm actually making a few secret extras to send to Marna, as well as something I bought too. You'll have to go to her channel to see what they are and to see these outfits properly modelled. Now, I'll wrap them all up and send them all the way to the US. And of course, I'll be waiting for a surprise parcel to arrive too. I'm getting two outfits sent to me from J-Dolls UK. My parcel from Jay at J-Dolls UK has now arrived, so let's get into it. I've got a lovely letter here, well, a card, and it says, "Hi Beth, happy summer collab. I hope you like my outfits." I'm sure I will. The pink packages are what I've showed on my channel, and the blue are the extra blind bag bits. Hope you enjoy. Love, Jay. Excellent. Thank you very much. So if you've come over from Jay's channel, you know what's in the pink parcels, but not what's in the blue ones, the purpley blue ones. So there'll be a surprise. All right, let's go for it. Ooh, a nice fabric tape. That is unusual. I'm always excited to get these packages. Oh, lovely. Oh, I love the fabric. Oh, that is so cute. And is this halter style? Oh yeah. So it's like a maxi dress. See that on the overhead. Got a maxi dress with a halter neckline Oh, and a lovely tuck down with a polka dot button at the front. That is just adorable. Oh, very, very nice. And the red gingham. Oh, wonderful. I'm intrigued about this fabric tape. Gonna have to look that up. Oh, we have outfit number 2. Oh, we have a 2-piece. Oh. Oh, shorts. Oh, so cute. Oh, lovely. I love the charms that you add onto your clothes, Jay. That is so cute. Look at this. That is adorable. Oh, I love the buttons. Oh, that is so cute. We've got a lovely little lemon yellow top and some shorts to go with. That is so cute. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Jay. Now we'll have the other pink parcel. Oh my, there we go. Oh, we've got matching. Oh, we've got something inside. That's a lovely bag. So this goes with the dress with the apples. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, I really like the applique heart on the front as well. That is so cute. Oh, we've got something inside. Another bonus parcel. We have jewelry. Oh, how wonderful. Oh, what do we have here? We've got a necklace. Let's see, I'll slide these out. This is going to be a necklace, oh, with a green button which matches the ones on the back of the lemon coloured top. That's really cute. Oh, and this will be a bracelet to go. Oh, Jay, that is so cute. Oh, I love these little buttons. Oh, and the charms, and these match for the other outfit. Oh, let me get that there. That is so cute. Very well done, Jay. Thank you. Perfect accessories. Pop you all here. Ooh, I can't wait to get them dressed. Now then, so these, ooh, we've got some extra packages. These will be new to you guys if you've come from Jay's channel. Lovely fabric and a skirt. Oh, excellent. That's beautiful fabric again. Oh, it's really nice. Oh, thank you very much. Oh, lovely. Very sweet. I really like that fabric. Oh, excellent. So we have a skirt. We've got... Ooh. We've got, oh, I just watched your video on making these, I think. Got a lovely hair wrap. It's like a headband so you can wear it Rosie Riveter style with this at the top, or as you said in your video, Jay, you can swoosh it round and have it more like a flat headband on top. These are great. I've only made one for my own dolls, so it'll be lovely to have another. That is super. Thank you. That's going to go with that outfit. Oh, you can see it all coming together. Now, we've got a small parcel here. What do we have? Ooh, a little bag. Oh, how cute! I can never have enough little hair clips for these girls. Oh, they are super sweet. Thank you so much, Jay. Little clips. Oh yeah, I would wear these myself. That's so cute. There we go. Hee. You're beautiful. That green. Oh, they'll go with this skirt. And what's this? I bought extra of these to share. Hope you can use them. Oh, I am intrigued. Oh, fantastic. Oh, is so, oh, they are so nice. We've got ribbons and trimmings on here from the little craft corner. You can see that there. And we've got unicorns and flowers. Oh, we've got iridescent sequins and beautiful silver stars and starry ribbon as well. That is absolutely wonderful. And I think that might get used in a custom Blythe very soon, actually. I think this fits a theme that I need to work with. Well, I'll go and dress up 2 or more of my Blythes with the outfits from Jay, and I'll show you the final shots. See you soon! Okay, I'm back and everyone's dressed up. Thanks again to Jay for sending these wonderful outfits. Thank you, Marna, for organising our collaboration, and thank you to everyone for commenting, liking and subscribing. I'll leave you with some final shots, and I'll see you next time. Bye!